Welcome back to another video of free Chrysler outboard engines. This one is a Force, manufactured by Chrysler, of course. I believe it is a 1991. Looking at the hood, anyway, this is always a hard job taking them off one-handed. But it sure looks pretty good, and the tag has been bleached out, so I can't see anything there. But everything looks pretty good in here. I tested it for spark, and this one with the tape on it doesn't have spark right now, so we're going to look into that. But it has good thumb compression. I haven't checked that. I got to check that. And it has a loose bolt here, which will torque back down to spec. But everything looks pretty good. Clean. I believe it's a saltwater engine, which can be damaging, but things look pretty good. Looks pretty good in the carburetor there. A little bit of stuff. Came with the handle for steering, which is great. Good stuff there. I'm not complaining, for free. It's got the hydraulic trim and tilt, which you can't see from here, but trust me, it's in there. Well, you can see the bottom. You can see it there. And then this bottom, this lower unit, is actually from a 55 that came with the engine. And this is it right here. This is the hood, the lower unit I have in the house. And that's it there. I think it's a 1974. Doesn't really matter because everything's there. Fuel pump, linkage, carburetor, really good starter. Looks like it's brand new. Could be, you never know. No compression on this one though. Those could be automotive coils, and if they are, they're going. But this one here has a burnt piston, according to the previous owner. And I have not removed it yet to have a visual. But the thermostat housing, it's all there. It even has the holes for the power trim, which I'm probably going to be putting on the other 55. But then there's also this boat I've been spending a lot of time on. This is a 69 Chrysler Charger, and it's getting there. It's getting done. I had to do the most important part, put the stereo in. But yeah, it's going okay. It just takes time. Got to do a little bit of sanding on the side. A little bit of detail work there, some more sanding. But it's actually not bad. It's not going to win any trophies for being the best, but it'll be okay for me. I only paid $100 for it. And then, of course, there's the Sunray. Now, this one here, I still have to do a compression test on it. But according to the previous owner, he had it on a 17-foot whaler, Boston whaler style. And he said for some reason the lower unit let go, whatever that means. But he said it pushed his boat at 25 miles an hour, which would be plenty for me. I like the looks of it. I almost had a Force back in the day, but I couldn't afford it when I was young. So that's it for today, and we'll catch you later on. Thanks for watching. Bye.